Guys, welcome back to How to Do It. In this video, we'll basically learn how to create a fake virus. So for creating a fake virus, we need some text documents. On my desktop, you can see there are many text documents. So please don't worry, the links has been given in the description box to download them. So let me first take them on one side. Here we are. All these text documents has been uploaded to description box now. So first let's start how we can create our own game. So here you can see the contents has been already written, and the links has been given to description box even. See, the first view is hey, welcome to the game. First is start, how to play, exit. So if we'll type 1 then enter, then we'll start the game. So here I'll start the game. Type your name. Here I'll type how to do it. Now, do you want to start the quiz? Yes, I want. So please tap on the bell icon for the latest updates from our side. So yes, we want to proceed. So y, here we'll type y, then we'll press subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe to our channel. Yes, we'll proceed. Do you like this video? Yes, thanks for playing. Now waiting for 2 seconds, so it will wait for 5 seconds. If you will not press any key, it will automatically exit. So this is a quiz. You can even type more questions in that. Now here we'll save the type as .bat format. The extension of the file will be .bat format, and save as type should be all files. You can see the similar window has been created. Now moving to our next, that is matrix virus. How you can create a fake matrix virus. So the link to download it has also been given. Now you have to save this file as .bat format, I mean extension, and save as type should be all files. Here you can see a matrix virus has been created. So this is a matrix virus, a fake matrix virus. Now the files with the name virus 1, virus 2 are basically, they are both same, so now I'll delete them. But do remember, the files with the name virus should be saved as an extension of .vbs. They should not be saved as an extension of .bat. They should be saved as an extension of .vbs. Here I'll show you why we have to save .vbs. See, on getting the properties, here the file extension is .vbs. VBS is script file. So the file with the name virus should be saved with the extension .vbs. So here we'll save the file as .vbs. Save as type should be as usual all files. Or this name already exists in the document, desktop, so we need to change the name. So let's type there 2 instead of 1. So here a new .vbs file has been created. Oh no, a virus is detected. Do you want to remove this? See, here I have written, oh no, virus is detected. Do you want to remove this? So the title here I have given is virus, as you can see here. Now the next, we are running this virus. Can we are running this virus, can we? The title here is check. Now oh no, the virus is affecting your PC with the title harm. Your PC is gonna be hacked. So what I have typed here, the same is coming to this message box. MSG stands for message. So don't worry, this is not a real virus, this is just a prank. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to do it? Like, comment and share. Tap on the bell icon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to do it? So the same thing has been displayed over the message box with the same title. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell icon for the latest updates. If there is any query, please visit to the comment box and comment over the videos. Thanks for watching.